Have you ever wondered what the brightest stars in the sky are? There's a vast universe above us filled with stars that twinkle and shine, each with its unique story. Today we're going to delve into a celestial countdown, exploring the top 10 brightest stars that grace our night sky. These stars are ranked according to their apparent magnitude. This term might sound a bit scientific, but it's simply a measure of a star's brightness, as seen from our home planet, Earth. It's an interesting concept because the brightness we perceive doesn't always reflect a star's actual luminosity. A star might appear brighter to us because it's closer, even if there are more luminous stars out there in the cosmos. From spectacular supernovae that have long since exploded to stars that continue to burn brightly, our list will take you on a journey from the 10th brightest star all the way to the most radiant one visible from our vantage point. Each one of these celestial bodies holds its unique place in the cosmos, contributing to the beautiful tapestry of our night sky. So fasten your seatbelts, stargazers. Prepare to embark on a stellar journey as we count down from the 10th to the first brightest star in our night sky. Starting our countdown, the 10th brightest star is Beta Centauri. This cosmic beacon resides in the Centaurus constellation, a staggering 390 light-years away from our home planet Earth. Have you ever wondered what the brightest stars in the sky are? There's a vast universe above us filled with stars that twinkle and shine, each with its unique story. Today we're going to delve into a celestial countdown, exploring the top 10 brightest stars that grace our night sky. These stars are ranked according to their apparent magnitude. This term might sound a bit scientific, but it's simply a measure of a star's brightness, as seen from our home planet, Earth. It's an interesting concept because the brightness we perceive doesn't always reflect a star's actual luminosity. A star might appear brighter to us because it's closer, even if there are more luminous stars out there in the cosmos. From spectacular supernovae that have long since exploded to stars that continue to burn brightly, our list will take you on a journey from the 10th brightest star all the way to the most radiant one visible from our vantage point. Each one of these celestial bodies holds its unique place in the cosmos, contributing to the beautiful tapestry of our night sky. So fasten your seatbelts, stargazers. Prepare to embark on a stellar journey as we count down from the 10th to the first brightest star in our night sky. Starting our countdown, the 10th brightest star is Beta Centauri. This cosmic beacon resides in the Centaurus constellation, a staggering 390 light-years away from our home planet Earth. Its magnitude, a measure of its brightness as seen from our perspective, is a dazzling -0.61. But what makes Beta Centauri truly remarkable, besides its brilliance, is its historical significance. Ancient Polynesian navigators used Beta Centauri, along with other stars, to voyage across the vast Pacific Ocean. It was their guiding light, their celestial compass, leading them to new lands and adventures. And it's not just a single star. Beta Centauri is a binary star system, meaning it's composed of two stars so close together they appear as one to the naked eye. The larger of the two is about 13 times the mass of our Sun, while the other is slightly smaller, at about 8 solar masses. A truly fascinating celestial body, Beta Centauri shines brightly as our 10th brightest star. Moving forward, the 9th brightest star in our sky is Achernar. This celestial body is nothing short of fascinating. Achernar, whose name translates to the end of the river, is a unique gem in the vast cosmos. It's the brightest star in the constellation Eridanus, which is often depicted as a river flowing from the waters poured by Aquarius. But what makes Achernar truly stand out is its shape. Unlike the typical spherical stars we often imagine, Achernar spins so rapidly that it's shaped more like a flattened sphere, a trait that makes it one of the most oblate stars observed. This rapid rotation also results in a high surface temperature, contributing to its brilliant blue-white glow that we see from Earth. In fact, Achernar is so bright that it outshines many other stars in its constellation. Achernar, with its distinctive characteristics, holds the 9th position in our countdown. As we journey further into the cosmos, we encounter the 8th to 5th brightest stars. Let's begin with Procyon, the 8th brightest star. Procyon, also known as Alpha Canis Minoris, is only a mere 11.4 light-years away. Its magnitude is a dazzling 0.38, making it a prominent member of the Winter Triangle. Moving on, we come across Rigel, the 7th brightest star. Situated in the Orion constellation, Rigel is an incredible 863 light-years away. Despite its distance, Rigel shines brightly with a magnitude of 0.12 thanks to its status as a supergiant star. Next up we have Capella, the 6th brightest star. Also known as Alpha Aurigae, Capella is relatively close, at just 42.2 light-years away. It's a binary star system composed of two giant stars that are both brighter than our own sun, boasting a magnitude of 0.08. Finally, we reach Vega, the fifth brightest star in our night sky. Vega, or Alpha Lyrae, is a mere 25 light-years from us. Its rapid rotation results in an equatorial bulge, making it appear larger than it actually is. Vega's magnitude is 0.03, making it a staple of the summer triangle. These stars, each fascinating in their own right, take us halfway through our countdown. As we continue our voyage through the cosmos, remember that each of these celestial bodies tells a unique story, contributing to the larger narrative of our universe. Just think, these stars have been burning brightly for millions if not billions of years, and they've still got plenty of stories left to tell. Entering the top half of our list, we find Arcturus at the 4th position, and Rigil Kentaurus at the 3rd. Arcturus, the 4th brightest star in our night sky, is an orange giant located in the constellation Brightest, the herdsman. This star has been a guide for navigators for centuries. It's also the brightest star in the northern celestial hemisphere, making it a standout in the night sky. The name Arcturus itself means guardian of the bear, derived from its proximity to the constellation Ursa Major, the Great Bear. This celestial sentinel is approximately 37 light-years away from us, a relatively close neighbor in the grand scale of the universe. Moving up to the 3rd brightest star, we meet Rigil Kentaurus, also known as Alpha Centauri. This star system is located in the constellation Centaurus, and is the closest star system to our own solar system, just over 4 light-years away. Rigil Kentaurus is actually a binary star system, meaning it consists of two stars, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, orbiting around each other. Their combined light is what makes Rigil Kentaurus such a bright point in our sky. This star system has been a landmark for Southern Hemisphere navigators throughout history. What's particularly interesting about these stars is that they've been used as navigational aids for centuries. Sailors would align their ship's course with these stars, and explorers would use them to navigate uncharted territories. Even today, with all our sophisticated technology, we still look to these stars for celestial navigation. Arcturus and Rigil Kentaurus, shining brightly in their respective constellations, bring us closer to the top of our list. Almost at the pinnacle, the 2nd brightest star in our sky is none other than Canopus. This celestial giant has been a beacon for navigators and stargazers since ancient times. Canopus was revered in ancient cultures, with its importance reflected in various myths and legends. It was a guiding light for the sailors of old, even playing a pivotal role in the epic voyages of the Polynesians. In terms of magnitude, Canopus shines with an apparent magnitude of -0.72, making it a standout in the night sky. However, despite its brightness, Canopus is not as close as you might think. It's located at a staggering distance of roughly 310 light-years from Earth. This means the light we see today actually started its journey over 3 centuries ago. Canopus, a beacon in the southern sky, sets the stage for our brightest star. Finally, the brightest star, aside from our sun, is Sirius. A jewel in the crown of the night sky, Sirius shines with an unparalleled brightness that's hard to miss. It's not just its proximity to Earth that makes it stand out. Sirius, a mere 8 light-years away, is a binary star system, consisting of a white main sequence star, Sirius A, and a faint white dwarf, Sirius B. This combination of factors results in Sirius's exceptional luminosity. Located in the constellation Canis Major, Sirius is often referred to as the Dog Star. It's a beacon of the winter sky in the northern hemisphere and a year-round spectacle in the southern hemisphere. Sirius has been a constant companion to stargazers throughout history, with its flickering multicolored light guiding explorers and inspiring poets. Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, concludes our stellar journey. From Beta Centauri to Sirius, we have traveled through the cosmos exploring the 10 brightest stars. We've journeyed vast astronomical distances, from the blue-white brilliance of Rigel to the red supergiant Betelgeuse. We've discovered that brightness, or apparent magnitude, is not just about a star's intrinsic luminosity, but also its distance from us. The closest stars often seem the brightest, like Sirius, our cosmic next-door neighbor. Yet some stars, like Canopus and Rigel, outshine others despite being hundreds of light-years away. Their intense luminosity breaks through the cosmic darkness, reaching our tiny planet and illuminating our night sky. Every star we've discussed today has its own story, its own place in the tapestry of the universe. They've guided sailors, inspired poets, and fueled scientific discovery. And even though some of these stars may have exhausted their nuclear fuel millions of years ago, their light continues its journey through space, reaching us here on Earth. Although some of these stars may be long gone, their light continues to reach us, reminding us of the vast and awe-inspiring universe we are a part of.